Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Electro Optic systems to establish European AI-enabled counter-drone command and control hub in France. Electro Optic systems will invest more than 10 million euros to establish France as its European hub for AI-enabled counter-drone command and control systems. The company said their hub will be located in Nice and anchored by the headquarters of MARSS, the command and control specialist recently acquired by EOS Electro Optic Systems. The investment is expected to create up to 150 jobs over 3 years. These will include high value-added engineering and software development roles. EOS Electro Optic Systems said their hub will strengthen France's defense industrial ecosystem through sovereign technologies. The company said it will also build on its existing cooperation with KNDS. EOS Electro Optic Systems will also explore the production of high-energy laser systems in France. It will also examine the development of space domain capabilities for France and the wider European market. France is making a decisive commitment to its defense sovereignty, and EOS Electro Optic Systems is proud to support that ambition, said Dr. Andreas Schwer, Chief Executive Officer of EOS Electro Optic Systems. Establishing our European hub in France allows us to deliver counter-drone and command and control capability that partner nations own, produce, and sustain on their own terms. This is what genuine industrial sovereignty looks like, Schwer said. The announcement comes as European governments increase investment in air defense in response to the rapid spread of low-cost drones. EOS Electro Optic Systems said it is one of a small number of specialized companies outside the United States able to offer high-energy laser weapons. The company said its model is based on full technology transfer and local production, allowing partner nations to manufacture and maintain capability without dependence on foreign export controls. The France hub reinforces EOS's Electro Optic Systems' growing European presence. The company has secured the first export order for a 100 kW class laser weapon system from the Netherlands. EOS Electro Optic Systems has also held advanced discussions with Germany. Those discussions followed a visit by the German Federal Minister of Defense to EOS Electro Optic Systems facilities. EOS Electro Optic Systems operates through Defense Systems and Space Systems divisions. EOS Electro Optic Systems Defense Systems specializes in technology for weapon system optimization and integration, as well as intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, C4 systems for land warfare, remote weapon systems, vehicle turrets, high-energy laser weapons, counter-UAS systems and command and control systems. Its command and control systems include MARSS software-led counter-drone and critical infrastructure protection capabilities centered on the NIDAR platform. EOS Electro Optic Systems Space Systems applies optical sensors and effectors developed by EOS Electro Optic Systems to detect, track and characterize objects in space, including capabilities in the space control domain. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.